Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you. Coronavirus January 18. Live updates. India logs 2.38 lakh new COVID cases. Omicron tally at 8,891. The daily coronavirus cases saw a slight drop in Delhi and West Bengal. On Monday, West Bengal reported 9,385 new COVID-19 cases as daily cases tally came down the 10,000 mark after 12 days. Delhi recorded 12,527 new COVID cases, a drop of 31.4% from the previous day. Though this mainly due to the falling number of tests. Meanwhile, India will be vaccinating 12 to 14 years olds of March, said Dr. N.K. Arora, chairman of the National Technical Advisory Group of Immunization. So far, India has administered 157 doses of COVID-19 vaccines. India recorded 2,38,018 new COVID-19 cases recorded in last 24 hours, according to data by the Union Health Ministry at 8 a.m. on Tuesday. The Omicron case tally in India stands at 8,891, registering an increase of 8.31% since yesterday. After Son Nara Lokesh Telugu Desam Party chief Chandrababu Naidu also tested COVID-19 positive with mild symptoms. I have tested positive for COVID with mild symptoms. I have quarantined myself at home and taking all the necessary precautions. I would request those who came in contact with me got themselves tested at the earliest. Please be safe and take care, Naidu said in a tweet. India will be vaccinating 12 to 14 years old by March of this year, Dr. N.K. Arora told India Today. A renowned public health expert, Dr. Arora is chairman of the central government COVID-19 working group of National Technical Advisory Group on Immunization. The number of those affected by Omicron case in Manipur jumped to 39 on Monday from only 7 a day ago, a health department bulletin said. Manipur Director of Health Services K. Raju Singh said in release that 32 Omicron cases were detected in various districts of the state. The number of West Bengal daily COVID-19 cases come down to less than 10,000 after 12 days on Monday, when 9,385 new infections were reported according to Health Department data. Bill induction of Sikh leaders held BJP win Punjab Assembly polls. In a marked change in strategy, the Bharatiya Janata Party has roped in prominent Sikh faces to turn its electoral fortunes in Punjab. It is a tactic to counter any pushback for the losses suffered by the BJP during the farmers' agitation. The BJP has been facing an uphill task in Punjab during the year-long farm agitation. Many leaders from the Saffron Party will call it quits, even those who were old members, both Hindus and Sikhs. Despite the setbacks, the BJP has quickly strategized its poll campaign by inducting leaders from Akali Dal. The BJP's new strategy is to win Punjab by bringing prominent Sikh faces on board. Since the farm agitation and the PM Secretary breach controversy, the Congress has taken on the BJP, alleging an attempt by the Saffron Party to hurt Punjabi youth. The state BJP has since then gone into damage control mode, keeping in mind that the incidents are still fresh in public memory. A Congress leader on condition of anonymity called the BJP's new strategy poaching of Sikh faces. The leader stated that the BJP tried similar tactics with the Trinamool Congress in West Bengal, and now the same modus operandi is at work in Punjab. SAD is a Sikh party, but over the years the party has declined. They have lost the trust of people, and the development of the state will happen if there is Hindu-Sikh brotherhood. And yes, in contrast, the BJP is early catering to the Hindus, but Sikh and Hindu motherhood is known. And in the sense of secularism, why could Sikhs be left behind? Sarchan Singh said.
জিরো ভিশন, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.